died in on so many of his combos. Really? It looked like you got deity. Holy cow, really? Even the down throw? That's so crazy. That's so wild. I thought he died out.
Ooh, Sonido versus Scatt.
It's a true combo.
I actually was really curious about this matchup in particular, Sonic versus Snake, because I haven't played it. Because how many Sonics do you know? Tell me.
Facts. Sonido, a true Sonic main.
Area 51 on PGR.
Area 51.
Don't mess with this
Dude,
man.
He is the homie because after Sonic got nerfed, he's still good. But the thing is, in Smash 4, when characters are really good, you get good at playing the character, not playing Smash.
Yeah.
You get good at the character. And that happened to a lot of people. That's why like a lot of people drop Bayo. Even though Bayo's a different story because Bayo honestly got nerfed so badly and doesn't function.
Yeah.
Or doesn't function well. But like Sonic, so many people dropped Sonic.
Yeah.
Because they like, oh, this is bad. Not that he's bad. It's just you have to learn. You have to.
Yeah, you have to relearn the meta.
Neutral, you know, to learn how to play Smash Bros. And Sonido really did that. Also, I think it helped him. Like he was playing like other characters too.
Yeah.
So like kind of help him like force learn that honestly.
And I honestly think there is a benefit at playing like one of these unicorn characters like Sonic because the fewer of them there are, the less experience with the matchup people have.
Exactly. That's how I feel when I play Robin. I mean, I'm a Robin man. No, I'm the only Robin in Georgia.
Really?
So, yeah, I don't know anyone else.
You're
that
the
plays
best Robin in Georgia.
Shut up. Oh my god. No.
No, don't say no. Say yes. Jace. Best Robin in Georgia on the couch.
But my point is like, yeah, no one plays the character, so it's like certain gimmicky things. It's like, you don't know.
It's like coming out of Smash 4 right into Ultimate, how a lot of people didn't know how to deal with Snake, and then people were like, Snake is broken, but it's just like y'all haven't played him in a really long time, so you're just getting used to him.
Fun fact, exclusive knowledge for this stream. Drifted away from my face.
Uh-oh, what is this camera angle? Is this safe for work?
Headless torsos? What is this, grinder?
Oh, man.
Oh, my gosh. That was a little too spicy. All right.
No such thing as too spicy. This is Atlanta.
That's hysterical. All right, I'm going to give you that knowledge once it comes back to my face at some point. I'm going to drop it off all of you. Actually, I'll do it right now. Fun fact, Robin, when he has Thoron fully charged at, I think, like 30 to 40%, forward throw into Thoron is a true combo on ledge and can kill.
Oh.
Because Thoron has a tip. Fun fact.
I like the tip.
Oh,
all
okay,
right.
we're starting off
out
hot.
The back.
Starting off spicy. You gotta
trades with the back air.
And the Sonic.
See a lot of crouching happening by Scatt.
Oh
okay,
my gosh.
C4.
I like that very traditional combo right there. Knocking your opponent into C4.
Yeah. All right, with the down tilt.
Now, actually, I love watching them play this because it's such a testament to how good of a player Sonido is.
Yeah.
Sonido is such an aggro character.
Oh, he really is.
He doesn't. Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
That angle. Hello? But he's so aggro, and then Scatt's defense is so solid, especially at Snake. So it really shows how good of a player he is when he like gets in on Scatt.
Yeah.
This is very difficult.
His defense truly is impeccable. This oh, with the up tilt. Hate to see it. Okay.
Oh,
Tex
nice.
it?
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
great.
Clean tech.
Tech, air dodge into stage.
Back throw? Good. He waited so he didn't get blown up.
Does Sonic have any kill throws?
Oh! Back throw, supposedly, but, you know, Snake is really, really heavy. Oh,
all right, down throw into dash attack. Really good at low percent.
Oh my gosh, the grenade stopped him immediately. That's unfortunate.
Down throw. Roll away. Down air. Let's see. Okay.
Oh, nice. Nice waiting.
Yeah, Scatt has always been a really big proponent of Snake's dash attack. And
up to catching him again. Really good move.
I feel like this is a really healthy lead for Scatt. He can kind of just chill out.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, Nikita.
I like
Fear
that
reverse.
he will not like
Yeah.
let him up B like that for free ever.
Yeah, and I feel like with this lead, he is just like really going for those grenade trades at this point.
For sure.
Because
Oh, nice. Wow.
down
You
throw.
know,
No.
homing attack is actually so hard to punish.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So really, shout out to Scatt for really like being able to pull that off. Oh,
Okay,
Oh.
up throw.
come on, Sonido, take the stock. Take the even. Yeah. Oh,
All right.
oh no. Up tilt might actually, with so much rage, up tilt low key.
Yeah. Yeah, he is just holding on to this lead. Oh, okay, dash attack.
really is.
What's he gonna do? Grenade. Back air? Nah.
Sonido's one bad approach from dying. Back throw
Back
should kill.
throw. There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Finally
Alright.
gets him to his last stock, but I mean, this is
I
gonna
know,
be a
that's
hard
so
sell.
close.
And he's just throwing out up tilts, searching for it. He knows.
Yeah, I mean, calling out, if homing whiffs, it is a free punish, but also homing attack is so, like,
Oh,
strong.
Nikita.
It's,
Okay.
it's really hard to react, actually, to homing attack. I'm not gonna, like, completely honest.
Woo.
All right, gain some sweet percent. Trying to make this as close as possible.
Okay, up tilt,
But
goes for the
Nikita,
Nikita.
oh my God, Nikita's fishing.
Oh,
Jesus.
okay, there we go.
Ooh.
Ooh. So that was game one for Scatt.
Mhm.
A man in the polo.
And
Sonido
Polo,
sipping his
man,
water.
On a mission. Yo, can we
Alright.
also like just acknowledge these guys are like they play each other all the time, and every single time they still keep it like it's such a back and forth. It's
Yeah.
never some like constantly dominating ever. Sometimes it may feel that way, but like they really do keep it close.
Yeah, it's definitely a
That's really sick.
pleasure watching them whenever we get to see them play. I thought you were going to say, like, can we appreciate how both of these men are super buff?
Oh, I was also tempted to say that too. They are.
Okay, out here with the biceps.
Sonido literally like he just wears baggy clothing. He's actually buff as hell. And so is Scatt.
Right? Yo,
Scatt
they are
rip.
both, like,
They got the sneaky rip. All right, winner semis, game 2, taking it to Talent City. Okay. Oh my Talent City.
So what do you think the stage choice?
I mean, both really do well off these platforms. Also, I like that even though this is hazards off, it still transitions somewhat. You know what I mean? I like that. I hate when it doesn't do that. So I really dislike. I really dislike hazardless smash roll. I think
Yeah.
it's ugly as hell. Ooh, let's go. You see those adaptation.
Oh, okay.
Both
I like
players
that.
do really well at adapting. Even though Scatt has this healthy lead, he's like 50%, but see how Sonido racks it up so quick.
Yeah.
Sonic's strong multi-hits, and that lingering hitbox actually touches him. Ooh, see,
Oh,
taking it.
off
You
the
can't
top.
recover high for free in this stage. That's why
You
this stage
cannot.
is really good for him, especially when it turns into Kalos like this. It's so good for him. And now he has to approach, and Sonic, I mean, what's his face? Snake's approach options
Yeah.
are okay.
Not the
But
best,
not the
but
best,
yeah.
honestly. Wow, then.
Nikita.
Ooh, see, he almost said now, and Sonic's like, you're too slow.
Okay. Good spot dodge into up tilt.
Yeah, he grabbed and he just did not go in the right direction.
Oh.
Ooh, almost over that 2-frame. I see you.
Yeah, Sonido's got a small amount of a lead, but with a heavy boy like Snake, I feel like Scatt's in a decent position right now.
Oh my gosh. So that top platform is so dangerous, especially if
Yeah.
he gets like any higher percent. Because then up tilt or something will kill so quickly. So quickly. Nice shield pressure. See, look at that. It hit his shield and then like, what do you do? Oh,
Oh, okay, what are we doing? Okay,
down
goes for a read.
I thought he C4'd him, honestly. Good DI. Oh,
Woo!
oh.
okay, with
forward
the
tilt not
nair.
connecting. His forward air like shifted his body. now what? Oh.
Trying to get him off the top again. Oh my God, my heart.
Yeah, I was like, the call outs for real.
Right. Yeah, it's very similar to what we saw last game. Scatt holding on to this second stock.
Oh, dear
God!
Oh,
good Jesus! Why'd you have to
That's
do
so
him like
close.
that? Oh, ending it with a spike. Sending Sonido to the loser's bracket. Ooh. Great
that spike
job,
was
Scatt.
beautiful. That spike was clean.
Oh, it was.
Very
I felt
clean.
my soul getting purified.
Same.
Right? And it needs some purifying, honestly, man.
Nonsense.
Man, what time is it? What? Why do you have your phone on military time?
I always have my things in military time. So it's
Why?
Like,
Who are you, George? Apollo?
yeah. I was in ROTC for a bit.
Oh, really?
But, yeah.
Well, what are the people at home saying?
Nothing much. I have 1%. Hell yeah.
Snake dash attack has no business being invincible at startup. No, I like that. Oh, did your phone just die?
My phone just died.
Oh my God.
Unfort.
Who are we seeing? Is this Salt 1 versus Fatality?
Ooh.
Okay, so these are two relatively new players to the scene. I can't say that I know much about them.
Oh.
Uncomfortably laughs.
I was like, wait. Oh, yeah. Dude,
Oh.
yeah. Salt one? Who is he?
I don't know. Who is that?
Who that? Who that
I've
there?
never heard of anybody in my state.
Never heard of her. Oh. Wow, you saw that? That's crazy.
Saw what?
Up tilted out of shield. And that's up tilted out of shield and killed Rosalina at like 120 or something.
Oh.
And Yoshi's out.
Captain Falcon. Shout out to Access Replay for being a beautiful venue, by the way.
I love this venue. This is really nice. I like it a lot.
The ventilation's awesome for a gaming venue.
True facts. True
Lots
facts.
of space, free water. We got the distressed brick walls right next to Krog Market. Anybody who wants to visit Atlanta, you like Smash?
Yes.
Come to Access Replay. We got weeklies on Fridays. Madam Smash is quarterly. So if you come to Atlanta with your lady friend, your sister, your mom, see if Madam Smash is going on. Come by. We'd love to see you.
Same sis.
All right. I hear buttons. All right. Gamer fist bump. Going into game one. This is winners finals.
All right. Oh, you have to
There we go. Winners semis. There we go.
I'm out of it. Get temporarily.
I can't do this by myself. All right. Hits him with the up B. Del Fuego's on a small sabbatical, so it's just your girl Nikita here. Okay, with the up air. Yeah, I feel like Snake can get juggled really easily against Captain Falcon. Oh. And that's the thing, you can't shield on these platforms on Battlefield. Otherwise, even, it's like, you'll just get upbeat. Oh man, off the top. Fatality, 44%. Very clean first stock. Okay, comes in with the F tilt. Grenade. Yeah, it looks like Salt One's really trying to keep him at disadvantage right now. up tilt. Salt 1 makes a comeback at kill percent. But if he can keep this stock, get a few good grenade hits, he'll be in a good place. Because once you get Falcon at disadvantage, Snake can really just do whatever he wants. Okay, comes in with the Nikita. Down B reverse. Comes in with the dash attack up top. Yeah, great mix-up on his part. Comes in with the back air. Down tilt, such a good move when your opponent's trying to approach you. Yeah, and Salt 1's doing a great job of bringing this back. Finally loses that second stock, but Fatality's at 86%. And that's a good place for him to be for Salt 1. Comes in with the F tilt. Oh, comes in with the up tilt. Almost killed. Oh, a shield break! Oh, F smash, my heart. Okay, yeah, that was very well done. Putting on the pressure.
Yes, played the matchup well.
All right, picking stages.
Do it.
Pokemon Trainer. Captain Falcon.
Okay, sounds like we got Pokemon Trainer versus Captain Falcon. Words are hard. And of the 3 Pokemon, I definitely think that Squirtle does the best for this matchup in particular. As you can see, he is just going in with them combos. He said, Fatality, you got combos? Me too. Because that's the thing with a character like Snake. You can't really combo in the same way that you can with a character like Squirtle.
What? Go play, boy.
Okay. Oh, so close. All right, switching to Ivysaur. Yeah, they are both just holding on to this first stock. Oh, yeah, that'll be... Oh, no, it's not it. Charizard's a big boy. He said 175 ain't no thing. Fair. Let's see. Do we see a back air? No? Oh, spiked off the top. First blood goes to Fatality. At 149, though. It's not a good place to be. Brings out Charizard. Lots of kill power with that. He wants the stock gone. Now we see a very healthy lead for Fatality. We'll see if Salt 1 can bring this back. There we go. And ladies and gentlemen, he's finally back. My heart and soul.
I'm back.
Fuego.
Oh my god. I'm just saying, what the actual hell is happening? This dude, like,
Yeah, I don't
Squirtle
know.
did so well against Charizard. I'm not really sure what happened.
I don't know
He's
if
dead.
Pokemon Trainer was the move.
Yeah, I'm not really sure either. That was a little sus.
Yeah.
To be totally honest.
So game 2 goes to fatality. Captain Falcon himself. Shout out to the crowd. We're hype over here at Axis Replay,
True facts,
the
true
beautiful
facts.
city of Atlanta, Georgia. And we are back on camera.
Hello. That was yeah. I'm not gonna lie. That was a really sus character pick.
Yeah.
But,
Not quite
like,
sure.
I feel like
What was going on there?
Saltman when he wins, he does want to play like secondary to kind of brush
Yeah.
up.
Roy.
Okay, let's see. It's like
Comfort
cycling
pick.
They're cycling through like his characters and stuff.
I think it's cute that they both chose colors that match each other.
Coincidentally, really.
Nice.
He pulled out the Roy. He said no more. Oh yeah, that's
I feel like a benefit of like changing characters every match though is that like Fatality has to reset his mindset every single time.
Connected.
Ooh.
Oh man. They're
Nice.
keeping this really crazy for some reason right now. Very smart movement from each player right now. This is both dangerous and close to dying, like, honestly, at any moment. Well,
Ah.
he's going for the mix-up, but Saltman is definitely ready.
Yeah, great job on his part. Now he's just going in. This is a decent lead that he's creating for himself. Holding on to that first stop.
Two. Test. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that Falcon kick. I like the make.
Oh.
Ooh, nice nair. Nice nair for edge guarding. Very nicely done. Wow, Fatality really like brought the percent back, like very much
Yeah.
so. Oh wow.
Evened it out right quick. Ooh, goes for the
he was
spike.
So
Oh.
dead.
Ooh. He said, "Excuse me, I am trying to land." Oh, up
Wow, that killed
B.
him. Wow.
Yeah, he came back right quick.
I know. I'm saying. Oh.
Ooh, that was clever. I like that.
Okay. I like the mix up. Oh. Oh wow.
Caught his jump. Nice.
Okay.
Ooh. Nice. Yeah, I think
Wow, it's.
this was definitely the pick for Salt 1.
I think so too, but giving a Fatality any momentum is so dangerous.
Yeah, because you'll be at 28% in 1 second, 5 seconds later, you'll be
Yeah.
in like kill percent
Oh.
if you don't pay attention.
Oh, safe on grab. Oh, it just drifted just barely. Good drift, good drift. Ooh, back air killing him for sure.
Back air. All right, sending Fatality into the losers bracket. Salt 1 moving into winners finals.
Saltwater
quarters?
winners finals against Scatt, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's us. Who's up next?
I don't know.
So now it's top 4?
Yeah, now it's top 4. I'll show you everything.
Salt 1 versus Scatt.
All right.
We're going to see Roy versus Schnick. Sonic versus Snake again.
Snake Ditto, Snake Ditto.
Oh.
To
With the
redeem
PT.
his Pokemon trainer. Oh, starting off with Charizard.
Let's
Go! I love Charizard.
Brave man, brave man. Yo, Charizard got buffed.
Yeah, he did.
Just wait a minute, okay?
Scatt, wait. Oh, okay.
Controller check.
Look at that fast movement.
Wow, and Salt 1 is just running away with this game. And game 1
God
goes to
likes
Salt
three
1, 3 stock.
JB3. God, his trainer's voice is so bad. Trainer's voice is so terrible.
Oh, man. In stark contrast to Snake's voice, David Hayter, one of the best voice actors out there.
You're right.
Canon, Snake's name is also David.
Really?
Yes. Metal Gear Solid for the PS1. Said his name's David.
Okay. I see you. Nikita with the knowledge of her character.
Got it in here. So, Del Fuego, are you still in singles?
Hell no. I lost to Solo. It was a really good match. The first one, I did pretty well.